The ostrich fern, Matteuccia struthiopteris, is a large, majestic fern native to North America, Eastern Asia, and Northern Europe. It gets its name from its large, feathery fronds that resemble the plumes of an ostrich. This fern can grow up to 6 feet tall and 3 feet wide, making it a great statement piece for a shade garden. It prefers cool, moist conditions and is often found growing near streams and ponds. Ostrich ferns are relatively easy to care for, but they do need to be kept moist. They also are deer and rabbit resistant, making them a good choice for gardeners who have problems with these pests. If you're looking for a fern that will add a touch of elegance and drama to your shade garden, the ostrich fern is a great option. Just be sure to give it plenty of water and keep it out of direct sunlight.